little minions, it's me, Bo Shevasu. Today we are coming to you with membrane solutions. Now, I absolutely love my Sawyer Squeeze as well as my Life Straw. You ever seen those before? And I go up Mount Rainier every single year mountaineering. Now, I don't actually take this with me. I don't need a shower as I'm there. However, as something to put in my car when I get off of the trail, I'm muddy, I'm dirty, I'm filthy. This is absolutely incredible because not only can I get the mud and the grime off of me immediately before hopping in my car and driving 2.5 hours home, but it's also clean water. I can brush my teeth, I can gargle, I can even fill up my water bottle and stay hydrated on my way home. So this probably looks familiar. As mentioned before, it looks like a Life Straw, and this is the membrane that cleans everything. And so if you are here in the Pacific Northwest and you drive up to a creek, you can put water in this little guy like so, this reservoir. Now you have two options to set this thing up. The first is you simply grab this hose like so, fill this up with any kind of creek water or something, and then you plug this directly into here, and then you can use this to shower off. Obviously, this is not going to be treated water. The step to actually integrate this Life Straw and make this pure water, it takes a few extra steps, and I'm going to break that down. When you first get this in the mail, you will see this little nubbin, and you simply push down this and pull this out like so. So this is going to be connecting to this extension tube. So go ahead and force this in like so, all ready to plug right back into the bag, right? But then this end is going to be going into the treatment straw. So go ahead and take off this red thing like so. You'll see a little rubber bit, pull that out, and that's just to protect it. And it's pretty much foolproof because see the arrow, it goes in that flow direction. That's what you want to mimic. If at any point you're like, which way do I go? Just follow that arrow and follow the flow. And of course, we're going to put this on this end. And just like that, we have the membrane set up right here. Now, of course, from there, you can just suck the water straight out and it is treated through here. You can let this dribble into a water bottle of some kind, and it's essentially a gravity-fed purification system. Just set it and forget it. Or if you want to actually shower with purified water, it's not going to be very fast because this slows the water flow quite a bit, especially if it's grimy water. So here in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of silt in our water from the glaciers, but you are going to have to take this piece off, which is fairly easy. Let's just go ahead and pull that off. We can plug this directly into the membrane. So this is going to go on our bag, and the higher this goes, the more flow you have. So obviously don't try to shower with this down at head level, but really try to put it way up there. And then here is the actual sprayer itself connected to the purification membrane. Quote, Life Straw. It's not actually a Life Straw because that's trademarked and I can't say that. Oh, I just did. But this is a really cool system because it's versatile. If you wanted to shower without purified water, you could do that and you could just avoid this right here. Or if you wanted to use this to actually purify drinking water, you could do that also.